Have you tried multiple diets, cut calories, and still feel like your body is not responding as it should? If losing weight seems harder than ever, there might be a hidden reason, and science may have found the answer. Today, I want to introduce you to Honeyburn, a natural supplement unlike anything you have ever seen. It promises to activate your metabolism naturally, helping you burn fat without giving up the foods you love. But does it really work? That is exactly what we are going to find out now. What is Honeyburn and does it really work? The short answer is yes, it works. Honeyburn is a purple weight loss honey, specifically designed to boost an enzyme called lipase, which is essential for breaking down fat and converting it into energy. Many people, especially as they age, have lower lipase levels, making weight loss much more difficult. What makes Honeyburn unique is that it contains 11 natural ingredients, all carefully selected to increase lipase production, helping your body burn fat efficiently. And the best part? There is no need for drastic diet changes or exhausting workouts. But how exactly does Honeyburn benefit you? Honeyburn's benefits go far beyond just weight loss. It combines powerful ingredients like kudzu, berberine, wild raspberry, and royal jelly, which not only help burn fat, but also regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and balance metabolism. If you feel like your body is not responding the way it used to, if fat accumulation is becoming harder to manage, and if traditional diets are not delivering long-term results, this might be the solution you have been missing. And there is more. It not only helps you lose weight, but also improves digestion, regulates cholesterol, and gives you more energy throughout the day. Not to mention the natural antioxidants that help slow down aging and keep your body functioning at its best. How do you use Honeyburn? Honeyburn comes in a bottle with a dropper, making it easy and convenient to use. Simply place a few drops directly into your mouth or mix them with your favorite beverage, like tea or coffee. The recommended dosage is twice a day, in the morning and at night, for the best results. Speaking of safety, it is 100% natural, with no stimulants, no harsh chemicals, and no artificial ingredients. It is made in certified facilities and follows strict quality standards, so you can take it with confidence. Is there a guarantee on the purchase? Yes, and this is a big advantage. The manufacturer offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try the product risk-free. If, for any reason, you are not satisfied, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. Additionally, when you order the 3 or 6 bottle packages, you get 2 exclusive bonuses, including natural recipe guides and wellness tips. Where can you buy Honeyburn? This product is not available in physical stores and can only be purchased from the official website. This ensures you receive the authentic product with no risk of counterfeits or altered formulas. To make it easier, I have left the official link in the description and pinned comment. So, if you want to finally activate your metabolism and give your body the ability to burn fat efficiently, click the link below and place your order before stocks run out. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. See you in the next review.